Hello students, welcome in the class. Today our topic is present perfect tense. This tense is used to express an action very recently completed. Means जब कोई भी वर्क प्रेजेंट टाइम में कुछ समय पहले ही कंप्लीट हुआ हो तो उसे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस कहा जाता है. लाइक आई हैव जस्ट रिसीव्ड योर मैसेज मीन्स मैंने तुम्हारा मैसेज अभी कुछ समय पहले ही रिसीव किया है. सो इट विल कम इन द कैटेगरी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. If you want to identify this tense in Hindi, then you will find चुका है, चुकी है at the end of the sentence. And sometime आ है, ई है, ए है, etc. These words will come in the end of the sentence. Then it is present perfect tense. Helping verb of this tense is has and have. Has is used with singular subject and have with plural subject, and we use have with I and you also. Means here I mention it because I and you, it seems singular, but we use have with it. Now see the affirmative structure of present perfect tense. Subject, then helping verb which is has and have, third form of verb and object. Remember students, third form is compulsory in perfect tense. Okay. Now this is example. I have slept. Here I and we use have with I, and third form of sleep is slept. I have slept. मैं सो चुका हूँ. Second example, the baby has finished the milk. The baby is singular, that's why we use has here. Finished is third form and the milk is object. यानी कि baby ने milk finish कर लिया है. Now next is negative structure of this tense. Subject, has, have, not. Not is used just after the helping verb. Third form of verb which is compulsory, and at last object. You can see the example. She has not gone to market. वह बाजार नहीं गई है. Next one is Riya has not sung a song. रिया ने गाना नहीं गाया है. Here Riya and she both are singular. That's why we use has here. Not just after the helping verb, and gone and sung, they are third form. And at last here it is complement and here it is object. Now see the interrogative structure of this tense. As you know students, there are two types of interrogative. First, which starts with helping verb, and in Hindi they start with kya. So the structure is has, have, then subject, third form of verb, object, and at last question mark. Remember, in interrogative sentences we use helping verb before the subject. Example, have they stolen my purse? क्या उन्होंने मेरा पर्स चुरा लिया है? Here have and they is plural, that's why we use have here. Stolen is third form of steal, चुरा लेना, and my purse is object, and at last question mark. Second type of interrogative which starts with interrogative word and then helping verb, subject, third form of verb, object, and at last question mark. You can see the example. Where has the thief run away? चोर कहाँ भाग गया है? Where means कहाँ, and it is an interrogative word. Next one is how much milk has the cat drunk? बिल्ली ने कितना दूध पिया है? Meaning of how much is कितना. How much is used for uncountable thing, and here milk is uncountable, that's why we use how much here. Now this is a kind of homework for you. At first try to do these sentences by own and then match the answer. First sentence is बिल्ली ने कितना दूध पिया है? You have to translate it in English. So कितना दूध. As I told you, English of kitna is how much, because milk is uncountable. So the answer will be how much milk has the cat drunk? Drunk is third form. And at last question mark. Next one is Kamla ने गाना नहीं गाया है. It is negative. So follow the negative structure. At first subject, which is Kamla. Kamla has not sung. Sung is third form of sing. And sung the song. And at last full stop. Third one is मैं अपना पाठ याद कर चुका हूँ. This is affirmative. So we have to follow the affirmative structure. At first subject and then helping verb. I की इंग्लिश होती है, I की हिंदी होती है मैं. I have याद करने की इंग्लिश होती है learn. And third form is learn. LEARNT. I have learned my lesson. Full stop. Next one is do as directed. You have to change the first sentence in affirmative. It is negative, that's why we have to make it affirmative. So we have to remove not from the sentence to make it affirmative. The answer will be they have finished their work. Full stop. Second one is I have caught a thief today. You have to change it in interrogative. And you know very well that in interrogative sentences helping verb is used before subject. That's why we use have before I. So the correct answer will be have I caught a thief. Thief यानी कि चोर today. And in the last question mark. So I hope you students you understand the tense very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.